Graphic communication. Structural forces. There are 4 different forces that affect structures. These are pushing, pulling, twisting, and cutting. We will look at each of these forces in a little more detail. Crushing this drinks can is an example of a compression force. These forces work in the opposite direction, but by pushing together. The foot and the ground push towards one another, compressing the can. The pillar in this structure has a compression force from the bottom as well as the top of the building. The weight of these books bend the shelf. The brackets of the shelf are pushing upwards while the books are pushing downwards. Compression forces also work when you sit on a chair. Opening a door by pulling on it is an example of a tension force. These forces work in opposite direction. The door pulling one way and the hand pulling in the other way. The tie beam in the roof truss pulls at the bottom ends of the structure and prevents the truss collapsing. A tension force can also be seen at a fence post with fence wires pulling in opposite directions. Opening the lid of a jar shows a twisting or torsion force. These forces also work in the opposite direction, but in a circular way. A torsion force is used on this screwdriver. The screwdriver twists one way, while the resistance at the screw is twisting the other way. The wooden clothes peg has an opposite torsion force through the spring keeping the peg closed. A skateboard is steered using a torsion force. Cutting paper with scissors shows an example of a shear force. Here, forces are moving in opposite directions at the cutting point. One blade forces the paper upwards, while the other blade forces the paper downwards. Cutting branches with secateurs works the same way. If 2 beams are bolted together, and there's enough force on the beams in opposite directions, then the bolt will be cut. A shear force will happen. The forces of tension, compression, torsion, and shearing can have both a positive and a negative effect on structures. The positive effect helps to strengthen and stabilize structures. The negative effect results in structural failure.
Need more help? Shop our books around the clock and subscribe to our channel to stay ahead.